People nowadays are always on the move and on the lookout for new opportunities. Finding quality volunteer opportunities for you can be a very daunting process, whether you're a student or a professional. You may use a mix of various platforms to fully get the volunteer experience that you need. It can be a very confusing process, and in the end, it can lead to no sharing of ideas or any volunteering getting done past one time. Using other volunteer platforms, the volunteer experience can seem meaningless or unimpactful. The act of volunteering is supposed to push us to share and grow our ideas, to take our knowledge and skills higher into our future life, and to make an impact on our community. With our newly developed platform, Upspire, which is to inspire new ideas and help take them higher, we aim to help do much more and give an experience that will be educational, memorable, and lasting.
Upspire is a user-friendly web platform designed to help people find volunteer opportunities and connect service organizations with volunteers. So, are you ready to Upspire? Experiences on other volunteer matching sites are often hit or miss because volunteers and service organizations haven't been vetted. With Upspire's user-based 5-star rating system and skill level indicators, users can find the best opportunities for their needs at the highest quality. Other sites aren't equipped to coordinate international opportunities, but Upspire offers the ability to find volunteer work both locally and abroad. From Texas to Tibet, our platform makes it easy to get involved anywhere. Now, let's take a look at this short walkthrough of some of Upspire's best features.
Let's start with the front page of the website. At the top, we have a navigation bar that includes a search button, volunteer and organization login, and a sign up button. If we scroll down a little bit further, we can see a short description of the site in the search bar where the volunteer can search for the right event they wish to volunteer for. Our site has an interactive map where the user can just click on the location through the map and be taken into a page with more specifics on the location.
By having the ability to go international, it gives users a wider scope to be more culturally educated while helping for a cause or organization. By connecting with other people who are interested in similar things, it increases social interaction among users and thus leading to a world where people are inspired and being inspired to make a difference. Volunteers can find a project that is in their hometown, and if they feel ready enough, travel afar to assist in all sorts of events. A volunteer can select where they wish to volunteer as easy as a click of a button.
If we scroll down a little bit more, we will reach the footer section. In here we can see an about page, success story page, a place to contact us, and a FAQ. You can also explore our YouTube channel, Twitter, and Facebook in the middle section. Finding a right project to work on can be daunting. However, Upspire's search page is made so that you are able to filter through exactly what you wish to find in an organization or event.
Scrolling through, you as a user are able to see how each event is shown. It shows a profile picture of the organization in a small circle to the side, a preview picture of the event, location, length of event, title, and a short description of the event. An easy way to search is through our search filter menu. This menu allows users to search through events based on various skills that they check on.
Let's return to the home page. Each volunteer organization is able to log in through the login button and have its own profile page. If you are a volunteer, it will display your name, rating, skills, and experience, your volunteer events, as well as your reviews. If you're an organization, the profile page will display your organization name, the rating, the About Us section, the skills the organization prefers, the current events being hosted, and the reviews from the volunteers who have worked with you. One important feature on both types of profiles is the 5-star rating system. By providing a rating system on each individual's profile or each organization's page, Upspire solves the problem of the user not knowing who they are volunteering with based on experience, and the problem of organizations not having a glimpse into who they are choosing for their project. The rating system allows users to share reviews and stars with each other. It creates a clear space and directs users to exactly where they need to be. To complement the 5-star rating system, we also implemented a review section. Organizations can see what other organizations have said about a certain volunteer or vice versa. Another important feature of both profile types is the skills listed, or the skills preferred. For volunteers, it shows skills that you are capable of, and for organizations, it clearly defines what they are looking for. If we click on the event calendar of volunteer profile pages, it will bring us to a more detailed calendar view. However, if you click on the My Events section, it will bring us to a list view of the events. Let's click on an event. This is what a normal event page would look like. Here we'll be able to see what the event is about in the About section, what languages are spoken, the difficulty, requirements, location, and the organization that's hosting. To volunteer, click on the Volunteer button, and to donate, click on the Donate button. So some features on the event page is a Translate button, which allows for simple communication between volunteers and organizations. It allows for users looking for international opportunities and projects to understand what project they are signing up for without the language barrier. Another feature is the difficulty section. This difficulty section is determined automatically by the requirements, mandatory and preferred, and is compared to the user volunteer skills in order to determine how difficult the event may be for them. The donation feature button will be displayed to volunteers on an event page or an organization's page. It is up to each organization whether they want to accept donations. In other words, an organization can choose to display the donate button only on specific events, on all events, only on the organization's account profile page, or decide not to take any donations at all. Users do not need to be logged in to make a donation.
Thanks to the advertisements on our site and our donations we receive, we are able to make money towards our site.
So the About page that we have shows what our goals are for the international community and what we aim to do in the future, as well as the mission statement. Feel free to pause and read or visit the site. In the Success Stories page, we are able to see what sort of success is happening around the community in an international scale. For example, James R., a volunteer, helped save Duolingo $500 by creating a clean UI visual for a new program aimed at children under the age of 6. And here, James has commented saying, "I love being a part of something so big in my community." Another portion of the footer is the Contact Us page. Here, you're able to contact us if there's a question or concern. However, I highly recommend looking at the FAQ first. This page contains popular questions users have asked of Upspire support. If the question is here, there's probably an answer.
We created a friendly site to inspire to create an excitement for volunteering and the educational value that comes from it. Our team believes there's nothing that can't be accomplished. We hope you'll invest your time in this exciting new site. So are you ready to Upspire?
Feel free to contact us at dev@upspire.com. Thank you very much.